Underground fishing YouTube video. Experiment. Use bird dove to catch fish from underground hole. How to catch unique fish. Top comments. Number 1. I just hope that someday you'll feel exactly the same way as the bird felt.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Number 2. The poor bird risking the bird for fish. Don't you have a heart? Pensive face, pensive face.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Number 3. Don't do these type of things. Number 4. I feel bad for the bird. Pleading face.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Number 5. I didn't expect the pigeon to come out again. D.
Oh my God! Wow!
Number 6. Poor bird. Reported for animal abuse. Number 7. The bird literally hold its breath for 2 minutes. Number 8. When he put the bird into the hole, my face went like D.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Number 9. WTF again with putting random animals into water holes. LMFAOO. Loudly crying, loudly crying. Number 10. That bird's regrets that fishing trip with Mr. Wing.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
These comments are not mine and I don't choose them. Comments are the top comments from YouTube video that I mentioned. If you want to watch the video, the link's in the description.